Ordinary people changed the course of education. For generations to come. This is where the story starts.
Turner versus Fouche, a Supreme Court case that began right here in Taliaferro County. Before it was a local story, before it was national history, it was a family's fight for fairness in a small Georgia county. Calvin Turner, father, teacher, and advocate, challenged an unequal school board system on behalf of his daughter, Sandra. Sandra's education became the turning point. Her father's stand reshaped school governance across Georgia and the nation. The case grew from the same courage that fueled the 1965 school boycott, when families marched for justice and equality. In 1970, the U.S. Supreme Court issued an unanimous decision in favor of Turner. Justice Potter Stewart wrote the majority opinion. Why does it matter? This is Taliaferro County's legacy. Ordinary citizens creating extraordinary changes. This isn't just history, it's our history. Help us preserve it, teach it, reenact it, because justice walked these roads and still does.